Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to be working on my caravan. Today what we're going to be doing is taking up this wall. So I'm just going to show you how to take walls out inside an old caravan. So let's get to it. So first thing, I'm going to take out this sink, take off all the electrical connectors, all that stuff, give a bit more wiggle room. I'm also going to draw around here. So then when I take this piece out, I can cut that out with a jigsaw and then it will blank off this cupboard because otherwise it'll be hollow. Also, caravans try and hide the screws quite a lot. So I'm going to be taking off that little plate and then unscrewing these to take this bit out here. The same goes for the bottom piece. I'll take them two out as well. Remove them two screws underneath there to take the sink out. So all these little things are done. That's done. That top bit's done. Don't worry, I'm going to fill that at some point. That's obviously drawn around. These bits are out, so it should be loose. Now the other thing you've got to consider is I think it's bolted in up there somewhere, so you might have to make an incision to cut that out, and then taking out all this rubbishy trim will just make it easier. My plan is I'm going to try and pull it out this way, but we'll see how it goes. Obviously we need to do this without trying to damage the ceiling too much. And as you can see, there's a little line here, there's a line here, where obviously there's two screws. So plan is to cut through here around this area, identify where the screws are and see if we can get them out. But they're bolted in from the ceiling down. It's a bit annoying. There's the two screws. What you need to do is just take them off, and then I know I said I was going to cut it, but I got a bit bored, to be honest. Might have actually ruined that bit, but it doesn't matter. It's not the end of the world. I can always just get another piece. But yeah. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe so that you can see future videos on the caravan. Just got to tie this mess up. And then the next thing we're going to be going on to is this. We're going to be repairing that damp patch down there. We're going to be putting a new board in and strengthening up the walls.